Today we are going to learn countries in Europe. There are total 51 countries in Europe. Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia and Turkey are transcontinental countries, partially located in both Europe and Asia. Country, Norway. Capital is Oslo. Country, Sweden. Capital is Stockholm. Country, Denmark. Capital is Copenhagen. Country, Germany. Capital is Berlin. Country, Netherlands. Capital is Amsterdam. Country, Belgium. Capital is Brussels. Country, United Kingdom. Capital is London. Country, Ireland. Capital is Dublin. Country, France. Capital is Paris. Country, Spain. Capital is Madrid. Country, Portugal. Capital is Lisbon. Country, Italy. Capital is Rome. Country, Switzerland. Capital is Bern. Country, Luxembourg. Capital is Luxembourg City. Country, Austria. Capital is Vienna. Country, Czech Republic. Capital is Prague. Country, Poland. Capital is Warsaw. Country, Belarus. Capital is Minsk. Country, Lithuania. Capital is Vilnius. Country, Latvia. Capital is Riga. Country, Estonia. Capital is Tallinn. Country, Finland. Capital is Helsinki. Country, Slovakia. Capital is Bratislava. Country, Hungary. Capital is Budapest. Country, Slovenia. Capital is Ljubljana. Country, Croatia. Capital is Zagreb. Country, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Capital is Sarajevo. Country, Montenegro. Capital is Podgorica. Country, Serbia. Capital is Belgrade. Country, Kosovo. Capital is Pristina. Country, Albania. Capital is Tirana. Country, North Macedonia. Capital is Skopje. Country, Greece. Capital is Athens. Country, Bulgaria. Capital is Sofia. Country, Romania. Capital is Bucharest. Country, Moldova. Capital is Chisinau. Country, Ukraine. Capital is Kyiv. Country, Russia. Capital is Moscow. Country, Turkey. Capital is Ankara. Country, Andorra. Capital is Andorra la Vella. Country, Malta. Capital is Valletta. Country, Iceland. Capital is Reykjavik. Country, Vatican City. Capital is Vatican City. Country, Cyprus. Capital is Nicosia. Country, Liechtenstein. Capital is Vaduz. Country, San Marino. Capital is San Marino. Country, Monaco. Capital is Monaco City. Country, Kazakhstan. Capital is Astana. Country, Azerbaijan. Capital is Baku. Country, Armenia. Capital is Yerevan. Country, Georgia. Capital is Tbilisi. Thank you for watching.